Yeah. Woo. Oh, nice.
Now that one's gonna be the right one. It's guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed fit.
Can't go wrong.
I'm not exactly sure if this is indeed gonna be the right
Oh, no.
cable after
Oh, no.
all.
Oh no. What's wrong with it?
2 different end bits.
Damn.
What was the length on this?
It was like 31 or something. We went significantly shorter. Yeah, so the thing was we could move up to 33, I think it was.
Uh-huh.
Then we get another inch of throw.
I think we're gonna need the threaded bit no matter what, so. But really it can be 33 inches, it just can't have as much throw
But that was the problem, is I couldn't find one.
with less throw.
Yeah, without going down to the 31 situation.
It's possible that we never get the spike running due to just simply the cable not existing.
There's no way. That's not an option.
That'd be brutal, man.
We got one of them going.
Every 1 out of 10 cables is the right
Works.
cable for us.
All right, well there she is.
Dude, this looks nice though, man.
Yeah. Let's get that nice feel to it.
No, like not even
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, well,
So, is that tires coming off?
the tire is certainly coming off. Back to square one we go. Might be the case of the wrong cable again.
No, say it so.
This arm could be placed like at any angle, right? And I moved it so that it matched up with this cable. Because really, probably the cable should have a longer threaded piece on it.
I got you.
So that the arm should be here, and then
play, push it further.
then this would have opened up further.
Yeah.
Okay, bring it down a little bit. My God. Luckily, through the magic of editing, you can just compile all this down to 3 seconds where I take it off
Exactly.
and I put it back on and
Ain't getting anywhere.
Let's try.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh yeah.
The flange. The phalanges.
Here we go again, guys.
I think you
Shabuya.
gotta try out my method this time, dude.
Dude.
I really value your mechanical opinion. Your spliff rolling opinion cannot be any less valuable.
You know, all that really matters is how it smokes. Doesn't matter how it looks.
And mine smokes amazingly.
Pop that guy
Pop
in
it
there.
in after the
Just
fact.
J that all up in there. Let it expand. Flip it over. Give it a little shaky shake. Give it a twist. You tell me that ain't a good cigarette.
It's not bad.
This thing's unsmokable. It's so tight.
I'm not getting a drop.
There you go. Yeah, a little bit.
There it is. So the next thing I think is getting these puppies on there. Okay.
Fuck yeah.
All right.
Fuel filter.
All right.
Fuel line is in. Look at that, bitches.
They said we would never get the fuel line in.
But we did.
They said we would never get the pegs on. Okay.
Yeah.
Get in here. A little bit.
A little bit. I swear, if I have to do any more creaming and reaming on a hole, I'm gonna lose my. Yeah, that was definitely the way to do it.
Man, we didn't even use that plate, did we?
No. We waste all this time on these plates on all of our other bikes. Could have just done this.
Just
move
the bracket.
Just move the bracket.
And then what's your foot brake situation like? Definitely a lot of toe on there. Unless I move them.
Just seems super loose.
A lot of throw on that, for sure.
Right. Just another creaming and reaming story.
That bent. Oh, that's definitely bent.
May have gone a little too far. We'll see.
Empty bottle boys. Drinking the Bayern Maybach. Stay tuned for our next brew. Really want it in your way, you know? It's like a quick little swoop boop bada boop bop bop.
Yeah, that's true. You don't want it in your way because
It's like
Pushing it along. Is this a Chinese one as well?
Yeah, sadly. Not very reliable.
Oh, we made some progress.
clutch cable, clutch lever, good to go. Front brake, good to go. Pegs bent back and forward and back again and mounted.
fuel line.
Fuel lines, fuel filters.
Filters are in. Yeah.
You need a throttle cable that fits.
Exhaust.
Exhaust.
And so that exhaust that you
Then
said
all the
should
electrical.
take some creaming and reaming, but it will fit.
Yeah, it should. So it should fit in there, and then we'll have to bend the tube of it to come over here.
Okay, and then we move
and then we
the
cut.
little ear.
Yeah, we cut the ear off and weld it on like a couple inches back this direction.
Sweet.
So it wasn't that hard on our bikes.
Cool,
We
man.
could get it done in a day easily.
Yeah.
Through all these ridiculous machines.
Dude, I do like this new bucket, man.
Yeah.
Super fancy.
Sit on this thing and see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
About the same.
Similar enough.
Similar enough.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's roll how we got it then.